If you are a blogger that's just getting started out, I'm going to share with you one simple piece of advice that hopefully will save some of you guys some time and money. Hi, I'm Megan Hernandez with Electric Mommy. I have been blogging for over 5 years and run a successful blog that's bringing in about 50,000 sessions per month. And I built that blog all without any fancy equipment or without spending any money on any fancy courses. Today, I just want to help you guys avoid a common trap that I think a lot of new bloggers fall into. I'm just going to explain a little bit about why you don't need to spend money on equipment or courses and where you should be focusing your time and energy instead. It can be super overwhelming in the beginning of starting a blog. I know, I've been there. There's just an insane amount of information out there, and your blog isn't making money. And you can start to stress on that and think that maybe you need to buy these certain courses or take these certain classes in order to learn how to help it make money faster. There are so many creators out there charging for their knowledge and for these classes that they've made, and I have nothing against that. I have lots of respect and I appreciate the hustle. However, I think that there's a time and a place for those. And when you're in the very beginning of blogging, I promise you, you don't need those classes. They might make you think you need their classes, but trust me, you don't. And why don't you need them? Because I promise you, everything you are trying to learn, someone has shared that information for free. Everything I needed to learn as far as building my website, from all the WordPress side of it to learning SEO to photography, basically everything in the beginning I learned for free, and that was just by Googling it. There's tons of information on YouTube and just people sharing the information that you're looking for free. I promise you, you don't need it presented or set up in some like really fancy class by some really big creator. Instead, in the beginning, I really stressed just focusing on producing valuable content, just working on getting some content for your blog, and start to learn SEO from the beginning. It can seem overwhelming at first, but just get a plugin. I use the Yoast one, the free version. Again, I'm against paying for anything, and focus on that. You can use Google Analytics along the way to see kind of what's working for you as far as your content. But if there's anything you get stuck on and that you really need help with learning, I very much encourage you to go out to YouTube or Google and go search there first. I promise you it's probably there. Someone has probably made a video about it for free. Starting a blog is super hard. I know it takes so much patience and it doesn't pay off right away, but I promise you throwing money into classes is not going to solve the problem, and it's not going to make that money come in faster. It took me a long time to get to 50,000 sessions a month. I've learned so much along the way. I've made so many mistakes, but I promise you that if I can do it, so can you. I hope this little piece of information or this little tip helps one of you guys getting started. And if you found it helpful, I would really appreciate a like on this video. And if you are a food blogger, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be sharing a lot more information and tips that I've learned along my own blogging journey with you guys for free. I am never going to have a class or charge for this information. No gatekeeping. It's actually what I'm excited about for this channel. I am going to share a lot of that over here, so stick around.